Hello everyone. In this session, we're going to discuss one topic in the course Elements of Aeronautics. The topic is General Types of Fuselage Construction. Myself, K. Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Types of Fuselage Construction. The first is truss type. Truss type is classified into two, Pratt truss and Warren truss. These type of construction were used during the early periods. That means before World War and 20 years after World War. The next is monocoque. Monocoque is classified into monocoque and semi-monocoque, depend upon the members we used. Nowadays we can see monocoque and semi-monocoque fuselage construction in almost all aircrafts. Mainly, we can see semi-monocoque construction in almost all the aircrafts. That means passenger, cargo aircrafts. The last one is geodesic. Geodesic, it's a older construction. We used in during the World War period only. Pratt truss. If you see the Pratt truss means these are the longerons. These longerons are the main members of Pratt truss. Okay, that means strength members of Pratt truss. And these longerons are connected by a vertical and lateral members called struts. These are all struts. These Pratt truss is only capable of carrying tension only. Next is Warren truss. If you see here means it is almost look like a Pratt truss, but here the diagonal members are more when compared to Pratt truss. The drawback which is in a Pratt truss is it able to carry only tensions, but here Warren truss is capable of carrying both tension as well as the compression loads. Here it will carry only compression loads in one direction. Next one is the monocoque type, which is classified into two types, monocoque and semi-monocoque. Usually if you see the monocoque construction means it's largely relies on the strength of the skin cover. We're able to ski the skin cover. For support that only we have a structural members, formers and bulkheads. In the true monocoque construction, we use formers, frames assembly and bulkhead to give the shape of the fuselage. And the skin is primarily to carry the stresses. That means stresses as well as the structural load. The biggest problem in monocoque construction is maintaining enough strength while keeping the weight within limits. You see the semi-monocoque construction means we have more members when compared to monocoque construction. Here you can see the stringers also. In a monocoque construction we can see only frames, longerons and bulkheads and skin only. Here we will have a support members. More longerons will be there and a small stringers will be there. Okay, that means these members supports and give more strength to the fuselage, and the skin is capable to carry the strength. In semi-monocoque construction, it contains frame assemblies, bulkheads, formers as used in the monocoque design, but additionally to that, skin is reinforced by longitudinal member called longeron, as I said. Longerons usually extended across several frame members and help the skin support primary bending loads. And if you see here means the stringers are available. It is also used in semi-monocoque fuselage. These longitudinal members are typically more numerous and lighter in weight than longerons. And these stringes and longerons together prevent tension and compression from bending the fuselage. The last one is geodesic construction. This is a geodesic construction that used in the British aircraft during 1930s. Nowadays we are not using this one. If you see this one means you can see the spirally formed formers and frames. Okay, this is capable of carrying both the bending and shear loads, but this n number of frames may cause more weight. That's why we are not using this type of construction nowadays. Okay, thank you.